Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the MySQL connector for Python in VS Code. So in order to install this, head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's Code and type in the following command, which is pip install MySQL connector-python. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter key and wait for the initialization process to begin. And here you can see that the downloading of packages has begun. After the downloading has finished, it will install the corrected packages, and once that is finished, you can see this message which says successfully installed MySQL connector Python version 9.2.0. So that's how you can install the MySQL connector for Python in Visual Studio's Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.